Act I, Scene 1, Welcome to Wildlife Wonders, the show that reveals nature's most surprising secrets. I'm your host, and today we're exploring animal facts that will completely change how you see the animal kingdom. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts, blue blood, and can change their color and texture in the blink of an eye? These 8-legged wonders are basically nature's superheroes. And get this, sloths are so slow that algae actually grows on their fur. But don't laugh too hard. This green camouflage helps them hide from predators. It's nature's way of saying slow and steady wins the race. Here's one that might make you reconsider your pet. A group of cats can be called a clouder, and a group of kittens is called a kindle. But more importantly, cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. That's 30 minutes, 16 hours of beauty rest per day. Bees are the ultimate workaholics. They visit 50 minutes, 100 flowers during one collection trip. And if you do the math, that's about 5,000 flowers a day. No wonder they're always buzzing around. They have a busy schedule, but wait, there's more. Dolphins have names for each other. They create unique signature whistles that identify them to other dolphins. Imagine if humans had names that sounded like dolphin whistles. Doo-dee-eat. Nice to meet you. And here's a fact that might just blow your mind. When a male seahorse gets pregnant, he carries the babies in a pouch and goes through labor. That's right, in the ocean, males are the ones who get morning sickness, inciting incident. But these are just the tip of the iceberg. Coming up next, we'll explore animals with superpowers you won't believe exist, from the immortal jellyfish to the electric eel that can power your toaster. Get ready for some wild surprises. Act II, Scene 1. Let's start with the immortal jellyfish, scientifically known as Turritopsis doanec. When this creature gets old or injured, it can actually revert to its juvenile polyp stage and start its life cycle all over again. Basically, it's Benjamin Button of the sea. Next up, meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear or moss piglet. These microscopic creatures can survive in outer space, extreme temperatures, and pressures that would crush most animals. They're basically nature's tiny tanks. Electric eels aren't just shocking. They can generate up to 860 volts of electricity, which is enough to power a light bulb or stun a human. That's more powerful than an electric fence. And here we thought static electricity was shocking. Speaking of shocking abilities, the mantis shrimp has one of the fastest movements in the animal kingdom. Its punch accelerates faster than a bullet and can create bubbles that collapse with enough force to kill prey. It's like having a built-in cannon. Here's a fact that might make you appreciate pigeons more. They have an incredible sense of direction and can find their way home from hundreds of miles away. So the next time you see one of these rats with wings, remember they're basically nature's GPS. And get this, goats have rectangular pupils. This gives them a field view of 320 minus 340 degrees, which means they can see behind themselves without turning their heads. No wonder. They're always looking at you like they're judging your life choices. Let's talk about hippos. They can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. But here's the funny part. They can't actually swim. They just walk along the bottom and push off to propel themselves. It's like watching someone trying to swim in weighted boots. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to absorb heat better. So, when you're looking at what appears to be a big white fluffy bear, you're actually looking at a black bear wearing a fur coat. It's nature's version of a winter fashion statement. Here's a fact that might make you reconsider your next vacation. The box jellyfish has 24 eyes and can see in color. It's also one of the most venomous marine animals in the world. So basically, it can see you coming, and it's not happy about it. Crows are so intelligent they can make and use tools, recognize human faces, and even hold grudges. One researcher even reported a crow that learned to say hello to people it liked, and you idiot to those it didn't. Seems like crows are better at social skills than some humans. And here's one for the dog lovers. Dogs have 3 eyelids. The third one is called a haw and helps keep their eyes clean and protected. It's like they have a built-in windshield wiper. Next time your dog looks at you with those puppy eyes, remember they have a spare. Let's talk about giraffes. They only need 5 minutes, 30 minutes of sleep per day, and it's usually in short naps while standing up. So the next time you complain about being tired, remember that you're probably sleeping more than a giraffe. Here's a fact that might make you think twice about swimming in the ocean. A great white shark can detect a single drop of blood in 25 gallons of water from 3 miles away. So if you're bleeding in the ocean, you're basically ringing the dinner bell for sharks. And now for something completely different. The axolotl can regenerate entire limbs, organs, and even parts of its brain. These salamanders are basically the superheroes of the animal kingdom. If only humans could regrow limbs like this, imagine how different medicine would be. Here's a fact that might make you appreciate insects more. Ants can lift 50 times their own body weight. That's like a human lifting a car. And they do it all without complaining about back pain. We could learn a thing or two from these tiny weightlifters. Climax. But wait, we've saved the best for last. Did you know that some species of frogs can freeze solid during winter and then thaw out in spring? These amphibians have natural antifreeze in their blood that prevents ice crystals from forming in vital organs. It's basically nature's version of cryogenic freezing. And if that wasn't amazing enough, the bombardier beetle can shoot a boiling chemical spray at its enemies when threatened. The chemical reaction happens so fast, it creates a tiny explosion right from the beetle's backside. It's like having a built flamethrower. Act I, Scene 1. As we wrap up our journey through the incredible world of animal facts, let's recap some of the most mind-blowing discoveries we've made today. From the immortal jellyfish that can reverse its aging process, to the tardigrade that can survive in outer space, to the bombardier beetle with its built-in flamethrower. Nature is full of creatures with abilities that seem straight out of a science fiction movie. These amazing facts remind us that the natural world is far more incredible than we can imagine. Every creature, no matter how small or seemingly ordinary, has evolved unique traits that help it survive and thrive in its environment. The next time you see an animal, whether it's a pet, a bird in your backyard, or a creature while on vacation, remember that there's probably something amazing about it that you don't even know yet. Nature is full of surprises, so the next time you think you know everything about animals, remember these incredible facts and know that there's always more to learn. The animal kingdom is full of wonders just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining us on this wild adventure through the animal kingdom. We hope these facts have changed how you see nature and inspired you to learn more about the incredible creatures that share our planet. Remember, the next time you're feeling ordinary, just think about the axolotl that can regrow its brain, or the goat with rectangular pupils. There's nothing ordinary about nature. It's full of extraordinary surprises. Resolution. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep discovering the incredible wonders of our natural world. After all, you never know what amazing fact might be hiding in plain sight.